Welcome to Codio. My name is Eliza and I'm the Senior Education Manager, here to help build a community of CS teachers who use Codio, both for their own professional development and for teaching their students. We offer a web-based IDE, or integrated development environment, totally based in the cloud. No more installing SDKs on a variety of local machines and hoping they all behave the same. I sure remember that. Our IDE lets you work in many languages and have unlimited space on our Ubuntu server for storing and sharing your projects. We offer what I call a low-floor, high-ceiling platform. Low floor meaning it's easy to get started, high ceiling meaning you and your students can skill up to develop more advanced programs in a variety of languages, all within our one platform. More on those advanced skills in a screencast coming soon. Today I'm going to show you how to use Codio for your own professional development. Future screencasts will demonstrate how to best use our platform with your students, but today is all about you and your own PD. Many of you have expressed a desire to learn a language, a first language, or a new language in an easy-to-use environment. Codio has you covered. Let me show you how and where to find what you need to learn the basics of Java, or Python, or JavaScript, or HTML, CSS, or even Blockly. Note here on the left-hand side, there's a courses menu, and across the top there's a list of recommended courses. I highly encourage you to look at the first three. Computational thinking works in the language Blockly. Some of you, I'm sure, have used Scratch, so this is a very familiar drag and drop interface. But note that side by side in this course we have an instructional guide and teaching and learning materials, and our students and teachers are also instructed in the language of JavaScript as well behind the scenes of Blockly. There's an Intro to Web Development class and this Intro to Programming class that I encourage you to explore also. Notice within the Intro to Programming course there are actually a wonderful tool called Flowed, and then 3 sub-courses, Coding with JavaScript, Coding with Python, and Coding with Java. Let me take you into the Coding with Java course. Notice here there's a personal playground that lets you work and write code directly in the IDE, and then there are a number of instructional materials. The first one, numeric and string expressions. I've started this unit already, so let me just click Open Unit. It's as simple as this. And now the IDE and the parallel instructional and learning materials will open on the right-hand side. Notice that you have an interface here that you can code in, and then instructional materials here, controlled by the hamburger menu in the top right corner, where you can jump from chapter and section to chapter and section. What I want to point out here is that you can very simply run the code on the left right within the guide, thereby working in your code and running the code to see the output. Hello CSTA. Running the code on the left, and there we go. You can see your output. Notice the instructional material with a next menu that lets you step through the course or the sub-course, as well as the hamburger menu here that lets you jump to a variety of different subsections within the class. You can always navigate back to the home screen by hitting the C in the top left corner. That's a little bit about Codio and how you can use it for your own professional development. I'm Eliza, here to help, and please reach out with any questions. Thank you.